I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we have a super exciting video. It is a LUSH video. I know you guys love those. Today we are unboxing the LUSH kitchen subscription box for June. I am not gonna lie, I have seen a few tiny spoilers, only like minuscule. I've been really swiping, but do you know what? I am still so excited to dive into this month's box. So obviously, if you guys don't know what the LUSH kitchen subscription box is, essentially it is a monthly subscription box. Obviously, however, all the products in these boxes you can't just go to a LUSH store and buy. They are either old products that have been re-released for this box, they're brand new, they're products that are going to be released soon. It's that kind of thing. It is so fun. I never really look at the menu. I don't like to ruin it. You do get an email with like all the spoilers, like what's coming now, but I don't like to look at that. I like to dive in for this video completely blind and unbox it. So if that is up your street, make sure you subscribe. I do this every single month and honestly it is the highlight of my month. I love it so much. So we have today's box here. I am so excited. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. Cute. Okay, so the first thing we have in the box is this. So this is giving me hippie kind of vibes. So are we going to have earthy smells? I kind of hope not. You guys know I hate my earthy smells. However, we have this. We also have a really cute sticker sheet. I absolutely love this. I don't really know where I am going to stick these, but I love those. I might put them on my computer or something. They're really cute. Now we're going to dive into all the products. I am so excited. Let's go. Okay, so it seems like we have one bottled product. The rest are all naked. So the bottled product we have, let's have a look. Oh, okay, yeah. I feel like this was definitely needed for this box. This is the Happy Hippy body lotion. So Happy Hippy is normally a shower gel. It's a very lovely citrusy, fresh, gentle, like grapefruity shower gel. I actually took the shower gel version of this on holiday to Tenerife. It was perfect and I'm really excited to smell this because it's in a bottle. I instantly thought it would be really liquidy, but it actually doesn't look very liquidy. So let's give it a smell and see what it's like, and then we will have a look at the ingredients. So that is the texture, and if you rub it in, very milky, very creamy. Smells exactly like the shower gel. It's very strong in that like grapefruit, citrusy, very lovely smell. It's also not very greasy either. I can see myself really liking this one. In terms of ingredients, we have got almond oil, cocoa butter, grapefruit oil, bergamot oil, olibanum oil. It's got really lovely things. Again, this is what it looks like. It's just a very lovely white colour. And have a look at the ingredients as well and see what you guys think. But I am really impressed by this. I'm also impressed it's a medium-sized bottle and it smells so good. It's kind of got it's a very subtle smell. I would describe it kind of as a really standard generic body lotion smell. So like a really nice creamy smell, but with that hint of the grapefruit. So it's really fresh. It's delicious. I love that. The next item I am a little bit scared about because I've seen the colour of it and I instantly feel like I'm going to know what this smells like. So this is the next item. We did have some soaps like this years ago in this sort of similar design. I can't remember what they were called, but is this not screaming, I smell like a mossy garden? Because that's what it's screaming to me. So this is the Chamomile lawn soap. Like, are you going to smell like a relaxing garden? That's what I'm getting. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got German chamomile infusion, coconut oil, lavender oil, chamomile blue oil, neroli oil. We also have lavender oil, castor oil, and cocoa butter. Let's give it a smell. Do you smell like a garden? No. Although that is going to really annoy me because we've had something that smells exactly like this. This basically smells, hear me out, you know those things you put in the microwave and they're full of rice and you heat them up in the microwave and they're really good for sore muscles. They smell like chamomile and lavender. This smells exactly like that, and I think LUSH have had a product or two that smell like this, and it's really annoying because I cannot remember what it smells like, but it actually smells surprisingly really good, really relaxing, very fresh. Yeah, I like that. And do you know what? I actually really like the floral design. I mean, I do wish that the flowers were maybe yellow or had a bit of colour to them, but to be honest, it's a soap. it's going to get used and it smells really good. So the next item in the box we have, I'm going to go with a similar colour theme. So this looks to be a shampoo bar, and again, it is screaming mossy garden kind of smells. This is the Comba shampoo bar. Now, this we used to sell. When I used to work for Lush, we had this. This was one of my mum's favourite shampoo bars. She's a massive fan of Karma, and Karma to me, it is that generic, like, hippie, incensey, warm, woodsy smell. And it does take me back to working for Lush, I won't lie. I used to hate this, but then my mum started wearing it, and it's just a very nostalgic Lush smell to me now. Ingredients wise, in this one, we have got patchouli oil, orange oil. It also has lemongrass, chamomile. It is a very, very strong smell of patchouli. I'm not gonna lie to you, that is the main fragrance that I get when I smell this. It's very, very strong. However, I do really like it. It's definitely a really warming kind of smell. It is really, really good. You can't actually buy this obviously in the stores, but shampoo bars in general I absolutely love. I find them so good. They're one of my all-time favorite Lush products. They basically last for an average of about 80 to 100 washes. Like, from this tiny little bar, they're so good. They have so many different kinds now as well for loads of different hair types, but this does smell really good. And again, it is green. It's got a dried chamomile flower on it. We love to see it. She's cute. Let's move on. So next up we have in the box, oh, okay, so this, I'm not gonna lie, seems a little bit boring. I don't know whether it's gonna smell exciting, but this is what it looks like. Essentially, it's a bubble bar. It's all blue. It is kind of reminding me of the penguin bubble bar that we had at Christmas, but this is the Temple of Truth. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got hoewood oil, sandalwood oil, and I don't know how you pronounce that, some other type of oil, and I cannot pronounce it, but that is what it looks like. Just a very simple kind of plain design. Oh, I'm not sure, hang on. It smells, this smell has layers. Like, instantly I was like, oh, garden, like dirty moss, no. But then when you smell it, it has got that really like underlying smell of like really gentle, clean, like Dove soap kind of smell. It does actually smell quite good. The more you smell it, the more I kind of like it. Do you know what I mean? But the only thing with this one that I am a little bit disappointed by, I won't lie to you, is the design. I feel like even if it had like some white swirls, that would have been really cool, or maybe some different colour swirls, maybe yellow. I don't know. It just seems a little bit boring, but other than that, it smells nice. I am excited to use it, but it doesn't excite me. Like, looking at this, it doesn't, I wouldn't probably buy it, if I'm being honest, but I'm excited to use it. So there is that one. And last but by no means least is a product which I absolutely loved to death when I worked for Lush, but the only thing about this product that I didn't like was one tiny little aspect, and I will show you guys now. So this is the Lava Lamp Bath Bomb. Now, can you guys remember when this was brought out originally? Because I absolutely loved this bath bomb. So ingredients wise in this one, you have things like cocoa butter, orange flower absolute. You've also got red mandarin oil, tangerine oil, olive oil. It's basically a really lovely citrusy smell, but something about it makes me salivate. It's so good. It really takes me back to working for Lush. I think it is that really lovely nostalgic orange smell for me that I absolutely love, but it definitely fits in with the theme, so I'm really excited about that. But the only thing I hate about this bath bomb, are you guys ready? It's not going to do it now. Oh, like these just come out every single time. So these are bath melts. So essentially they will make your bath really oily, really lovely. Your skin will be so super smooth. But the amount of times that these tiny little things just fall out of the bath bomb, it is so annoying. So they never really stay in, which is a shame. But I overlook it. It's beautiful. It smells delish, and yeah, I absolutely love that. So I'm really excited to finally have another lava lamp. I haven't had one in a very long time, so 10 out of 10. So those are all of the items in the Lush kitchen box for June. I would love to know down below thoughts and opinions. Give me your honest review, because honestly, this isn't my favourite box. I won't lie to you. I am really excited about this. Believe it or not, for somebody who rarely moisturises, I know I really need to, but I rarely moisturise, but I'm really excited to use this. I am also really impressed we have a shampoo bar. These retail for around £9, so definitely good value for money. But I wouldn't say this is my favourite box, so I would love to know down below what's your honest thoughts on this box? I'd love to know. I'm nosy and I would just love to know. So let me know in the comments. And anyway, ramble over. I'm going to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously, don't forget to subscribe. I do these videos every single month. So if you guys like these kinds of things, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.